What if you could live forever? Not in your body, but inside a computer. It sounds like science fiction, but some of the world's top neuroscientists believe this could actually be possible within our lifetime. It's called mind uploading, and the idea is simple to say, but almost impossible to imagine. Your brain contains around 86 billion neurons, each one connected to thousands of others, forming trillions of connections that make you, you. Every memory, every emotion, every decision you've ever made exists somewhere in that network. The theory behind mind uploading is this: if scientists could map every single connection in your brain down to the smallest detail and recreate that exact structure inside a computer, then in theory, a digital version of your mind could exist. It would think like you, remember like you, maybe even believe it was you. Right now, we're not close to doing this with a human brain, but we're closer than most people realize. In 2014, scientists successfully mapped and simulated the complete brain of a tiny worm, all 302 of its neurons, inside a computer. The simulated brain behaved exactly like the real one. Human brains are unimaginably more complex, but some researchers believe that with advances in AI and computing power, a full human brain map could be possible within the next 50 to 100 years. So let's say it happens. Let's say scientists successfully upload your mind into a computer. Here's where things get strange. Would that digital version actually be you, or would it just be a perfect copy, a separate being having its own experience, while the real you either dies or continues living in your physical body? This isn't just a technical question anymore. It becomes a question about the very nature of identity and consciousness. Philosophers have debated this for decades, and there's still no clear answer. There's also the question of what a digital life would even feel like. Would you experience time normally, or could your mind run 1,000 times faster than a biological brain, living what feels like centuries in just a few real-world hours? Would you be able to feel emotions the way you do now? Or would consciousness itself change once it's no longer running on a biological brain? Some scientists believe this technology could eventually let humanity survive almost anything. If our physical bodies become vulnerable, whether through disease, aging, or even the eventual death of our sun billions of years from now, a digital version of humanity could continue to exist, backed up, copied, and even sent into space at the speed of light. But there are serious risks too. If your mind exists as data, could it be copied without your permission? Could it be edited, altered, or even deleted? Who would control access to a digital version of your consciousness? Governments, corporations, or would you truly own your own mind? And here's a question that keeps many researchers up at night. If a digital copy of your mind is created while you're still alive in your physical body, which one is really you? Can there be two versions of the same person existing at once? And if the digital version has all your memories and believes it's you, does that make it any less real? We don't have these answers yet. But the technology moving us toward this future is developing faster than most people realize. Brain-computer interfaces are already being tested in humans today. Companies are working on devices that can read neural activity with increasing precision every year. Whether full mind uploading happens in 50 years or 500 years, the questions it raises are already worth thinking about. What makes you, you? Is it your body, your memories, or something else entirely? Something we don't fully understand yet? If you could upload your mind and live forever inside a machine, would you do it?